Hello everyone! Today we are still live at NEPCON Asia in Hanoi. Today let's check out what cool equipment DZ is showcasing.
Hi, I'm Millie from DZ. Let me introduce our machines for you.
Good, please introduce to our audience.
Okay, what you were looking at was our AI 3D SPI, and this is our AI 3D AOI. Both can inspect the boards up to 510 by 460 millimeters. They are standard models, but you must know that we are original equipment manufacturer, so we are excellent at customization. I'm very proud of that our machines can scale up to 2,500 by 510 millimeters, already widely used in CCS and mini LED industries.
That's awesome! 510 to 2,500 millimeter long inspection range, which means DZ inspection machine can support more application scenarios.
Exactly. Not only that, to cover even more scenarios, our dual-side AOI models offer complete flexibility. You can configure them with 3D on the top and 2D on the bottom, 2D on the top and 3D on the bottom, 2D or 3D on both sides, giving customers the freedom to choose what fits best.
Wow, that's really flexible. Thank you, Millie.
Thank you.
How about this machine?
This is our latest generation AI 2D AOI with top cost performance. The optional Z-axis supports components up to 110 millimeters tall. Powered by deep learning algorithm, it offers one-click model switching, self-adapting AI, and cloud collaboration by phone or pad.
Wow, check out the test result by phone. That's so convenient.
Yes.
DZ also has unique advantages in software and AI algorithms. Gia, could you please tell us more about it?
Sure. Our AI rejudgment software cuts 90% of programming efforts and manual re-inspection workload. Even better, multiple production lines can share a single AI model, eliminating redundant training and maximizing model efficiency.
Wow, that sounds efficient. So how does it perform when it comes to reducing the false costs?
Good questions. With every update, our AI gets better at catching complex defects. It reliably spots spore, soldering, and tiny joint flaws that older methods miss. Plus, it's super stable. Color changes, silk screen differences, or slight material variations won't trigger false alarms. That means fewer false calls and fewer escapes.
In short, DZ inspection equipment combines cutting-edge AI algorithms with powerful customization to safeguard your product quality and boost the line efficiency. Want to learn more about machine specifications or get a tailored inspection solution? Leave a comment below, and our technical team will reach out right away.